Hello, in this video session, I'll be introducing you to African poetry. And the first African poetry that I'll be treating is Ambush, written by Bimisola Adeoti. In this video, we'll be treating the content and the meaning of the poem Ambush. Also, I'll be treating structure used by the poem to drive home the message. I will also talk on the language used by Bimisola to drive home the meanings embedded in Ambush, the poem. And also, I will also talk about the themes Bimisola seek to drive home to you, the readers, and also the poetic devices used by her to drive home these messages embedded in Ambush. And at the tail end of it, I will discuss and treat past questions from SSC, questions that are likely to come out and haven't treated from before. We'll treat it at the end of the video. The next video, I'll be introducing you to the poem itself. I will read it out and recite everything about the poem.